To answer it basically, no. Um, Installing the whole system as a complete system from top to bottom and all the equipment, Precision RV provides all of that. We are the name speaks for itself. We use high quality components that we know have stood the test of time. If I have a customer call me on the phone and I stay in touch with my customers and they have a question or an issue, I can assist them very quickly. If the customer has a problem, whether it be minor or something, which is very rare, I have my relationships with my suppliers and distributors and the manufacturers that I can get hold of people very quickly if I can't answer that question. So just like any other business, I feel, we provide high quality equipment and high quality installations, and we do not usually install equipment that somebody has purchased elsewhere. Yeah, I feel we have a great reputation out there, and our systems work and they work great. I get nothing but great feedback. And that's because the whole system, from the solar panels to the inverter to the batteries to the installation, works. And that comes down to high quality equipment, the appropriate equipment, again, with the monitoring systems, the temperature compensation if needed. The do-it-yourself installation, there's just so many factors involved. And having the equipment is only one aspect of the job. If the equipment isn't compatible with each other, it turns into a can of worms. The most important aspect, I think, of any work, whether it's solar systems or building a house or working on your car, whatever it may be, it's the quality of workmanship, the attention to detail. I come into jobs where somebody had something done at X, Y, and Z. It's not working. They come to me. I look at the system. I diagnose it, try and figure out what's wrong. And then I go in and I just start looking at the batteries, and I just barely touch a wire and the wire falls out of the crimp. The lack of attention to detail, not using the proper tools for the crimps, that's what leads to problems down the road. Wires not being properly protected. RVs vibrate and move down the road. Wires need to be tied, protected, put in split loom, etc. So it's not fair for any business just to say somebody, well, here's all this stuff I bought on Amazon or eBay. Here you go. I can't, our reputation can't stand behind them. That's not the type of work that we do.